right deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city.
Find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning. Soften up the mess. Drop it in the water. Let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, revealing of the pretty little skin. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher. Fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on a cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
His lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him. Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding going back to what I used to know. Please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress
me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the mic, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from my home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're feeling, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender all.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question in, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow, flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh,
like food, but I think I'm sorted for now. I don't want to buy anything.
Rice, but any rice of choice would work. I added mung beans. If you don't have mung beans, you can just skip that. Red guinea corn, it's high in fiber. I added brown millet as well into it, brown lentil as well, and multicolored quinoa. Now this mix is packed with fiber. It aids digestion and keeps you fuller for longer. It is also rich in plant protein, helping you to support your energy level and keep you satisfied without overeating. Plus it has low glycemic impact, so it doesn't spike your blood sugar quickly. Now if you want to cook it, I like to soak mine for 2 to 8 hours. After soaking, rinse it properly, then transfer.
Hello, Yella. I thought I would end this video today because the ending I wanted to get there, I don't think it's good enough. So I'm gonna end this. I'm back at home. I just came back from my appointment. I had an appointment at the optics so I can get new glasses because I think this prescription is like from 3 or 4 years, so I needed a new one. I'm done with that. I came back to my big box that is literally what's in here. You'll be shocked for the amount of box that they gave us. But what is new? It's Amazon. Amazon is always big. Notorious for their big things. Although the thing is not as big as you think. Now I also want to give you guys a haul of what I got. Because I went to Action before I went to my appointment. And because I needed a few stuff. Oh, this is margin. Such a big box whoa, this is actually big. Just for this. Such a big box. Yo, really not disappointed at all. My goodness. I got a new pen, stainless steel pen, because the pen we have, I don't want to show it because my dear. Let me show you guys the pen we have. Yeah. So I think it's time for an upgrade. Don't you guys think so? So we got this one from WMF Profit Resistant. I think these pens are the ones that they cook in the restaurant with. It was on sale. Not a good sale, but I guess it's okay because I needed it. Yeah, I'm excited to see the amount of meals I'm gonna create in it. Just look at how it looks like inside. Perfect. Love it, love it, love it already. Got it from Amazon. So yeah, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got. The reason I went to Action, I was looking for this Kamani box because my friend, hi friend, if you're watching this, you know yourself, my friend and I think she has started already, I'm late, but she said she has something like this which she only opens at the end of the year. So I'm hopping on the bandwagon late, but yeah. And then I got this. I found this in Action. I hope it works. It says it's for the what? For the nose and the thing for black, for whitehead suction. So I hope it works. And then just miscellaneous things, and these things are for my. Action has really nice storage things. I think next month actually I'm gonna go to buy storage things. These ones are for my socks, one for my underwear, because right now my socks and underwear are in a very So and I also bought some matcha. I have matcha, but the one I have, I don't like it, and I know this matcha is nice because I have had it before. I bought it from Refes or the Refis, whatever you call it. It's just like a refill. So I'm just gonna keep this and refill when it's done. I make my own matcha at home because I have everything at home. Why should I go buy? And I make the best matcha. If I'm to brag. So yeah, I got this, and I just got some groceries things that I didn't buy yesterday. I got some yogurt. I got 3 of this. I got usila for my bread if I want to make bread or recipe that I want to copy. And from Miller I got paper towel, things for the dishwasher, thing to clean the fridge because I just use whatever I have in the house to clean the fridge, and this is for the fridge as a freshener. That's all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to edit it right now and maybe put it up on Saturday, since Saturday is my new upload days, around 4, or maybe earlier or late, I don't know, but around 4. And yeah, so thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it this far, please do give it a thumbs up, please do share, please do like, please comment, and subscribe. This is for the fridge too, because there's sometimes that the fridge smells. I already have another one. I don't know why I bought another one. Otherwise, yeah, cheers. See you in the next video.